we're here at the Public Works building. We have 99 modules on this roof. These will put out 21 kilowatts. Each module is rated at 215 watts each. And that consists of 8.21 amps at the rated voltage, which is 36.37. We don't really get 215 out of these. That would be under ideal perfect conditions in the test facility where they flash test these. That's what their maximum rating is for. We usually get about 85% of that. And up here on this roof, we have 3 strings that feed 3 inverters in the basement. And on each inverter, there's 3 sets of 11 modules. So there's 33 modules on each inverter. The inverters are 7,000 watts a piece down in the basement. We'll get to that when we get down there. But these are all connected, 11 of them in series, and we'll show you a box down here where they then come together to parallel. During the series action, we are putting the voltage together so it becomes additive. It gets up around 350, 360 volts on this. And then when we go to the paralleling, we are paralleling the amperage, so the amperage comes up. So we have 3 strings per inverter, and they parallel down here in this box. When we receive the modules, they will have 6-foot long cords on them, and they have plugged together ends here. This is the new end that's required by code now that they lock, but that allows us, we connect positive to negative in series until we get to, this is our magic number here is 11. Then we take that home to our combiner box. This wire has to be rated as USE-2, which allows it to be out here in the sunlight and the air. It's resistant. Also, you'll see on mine, I use a black and a white. I buy the white special because that way I can keep our circuits separate. This is called a combiner box. This is for where we have our inverters in the basement. We combine things on the roof so we can send 3 wires down instead of 6 or 9 or 12. What we have here is our 3 strings coming in. These are the positive sides. Also, our negative sides are coming into this common terminal bar. We have 3, these are finger safe fuses. You can pop them out, you can pull them out. They're rated 600 volts. These happen to be 10 amp ones. Then you pop them back in and turn the system on. What happens, this is our incoming, and they combine on this bar here. You can see the little teeth hanging down. These 3 are for 3 more fuses. If you wanted to put breakers in here, they'd be DIN rail mounted. You'd flip that bar over and you could put breakers in. They're a little thinner, so you can put the breakers in. And we're grounded here, but those 3 come up, combine here, and this is our big output. Goes to our disconnect and heads to the basement to our inverters. This is a DC reading from positive to negative. We're reading 377 volts right now. If you multiply our voltage on our modules, which is 36.37 by 11, you should get something pretty close to 377. Okay?